Hi guys, welcome to my fall room makeover. As you guys can see from the back, my room is atrocious. And the only thing that's fall about my room is this trashy ass orange paint on my wall. And that's just not gonna cut it. Like, it's 60 degrees today. It's fall vibes. We need to get into the fall energy. So I want to decorate my room so that it's festive and so that the seasonal depression doesn't come caving in. Anyways, I've always wanted to have that Pinterest inspired room full of fall decor. I've been on Pinterest scrolling. I've just been obsessed with like the kind of fall autumn aesthetic for a room. So let's go shopping. But first, I think today calls for a fall drink. So cue the aesthetic montage.
Hey, it's freezing.
Oh, what do you need? Hot tea? Coffee? Lip gloss. We got our drink, you guys. This looks so good. This is small iced nutty pumpkin, 2 pumps of pumpkin swirl, 2 pumps of hazelnut, 1 liquid cane sugar, and 2 creams with cold foam. Wow. Yeah, this is exactly what I needed. First on our agenda, we are gonna go to Five Below. Five and Below, hopefully we'll find some stuff for $5 and below. I know they try to switch that up where some stuff is $10. We gonna see though. Oh my god, this is so good. But yeah, let's go. We are at Five Below. It would be nice if we could find like some pillows, some blankets, little decor. I mean, we're gonna hit up a few places, so if I can't exactly get it here, I have faith that we'll get it somewhere else. But how do you guys like my makeup? I did a makeup inspired by a TikTok creator that I follow, and I really like it. Like, I put highlight on my blush brush and put it all over on top of the blush so that it's not just like highlight in one section, but the whole apples of my cheeks are highlighted, and I really like how that looks. Go follow me on TikTok if you want to keep up with all the makeup routines that I try. I'm doing like a 10-day series. Today I just filmed day 4, so we're almost halfway through. So if you guys are interested in my makeup routines, definitely go check out my TikTok. But let's go ahead and go into Five Below. Here's a $1 bin. A little pumpkin for $1. I'm definitely getting this. I think I'm gonna need a cart, you guys. I'm distracted because I see pajama pants, pajama shorts for $5 freaking, and I think I'm gonna grab a pair. I'm trying to decide if I want shorts or pants. I don't know. They don't have that big of a Halloween section, so not much decor that I grabbed, but I just decided I'm not gonna get the pants or the shorts right now. I'm just gonna get the decor. And then if I really want to come back, I will. So let's just go ahead and check out and move on to Ross, because Ross might have some good stuff too. First bag complete. I'll give you guys a full haul later on in the video. So let's go to Ross now. Now we are at Ross. I'm hoping to be able to find a fall blanket for under $15. We'll see, wish me luck. But I just watched my friend Angie's fall vlog, and she went shopping at Ross, and she reminded me that Ross and other like consignment shops like this, I think this is considered consignment, they have like good stuff, affordable things that are still trendy and kind of worth the price, you know? I just want something a little affordable. So hopefully we have some good luck in here. So let's go. This is super cute, but it's a table runner, so definitely not a blanket. I see their candle section, but I don't see anything that's $5. They're all like $5.99. And I know that at Target I can get them $5 flat. So I don't know, Ross. I don't know. This is super cute. If I had my own apartment, I would for sure get this. Wait, you guys, this is so cute, and I feel like I've seen people literally tackle someone over this. I don't need salt and pepper. These would just be used for decoration. Oh my god, these are so cute. Fortunately, we did not have luck in Ross, so we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. And oh my god, I see your mom. Oh my God, it's just so funny. I was just talking about you going to Ross with your mom in your vlog, and now I see your mom at my Ross all the way in Virginia Beach. That is so funny. But we're gonna go to a Dollar Tree that's right over there and see if we have any better luck. I'm really just looking now for any small decor. I know for sure I can get some good candles from Target, so I'm not worried about candles, but I do want a blanket, a good affordable blanket. I think Walmart has some baby blankets, little decor hack there, so we may have to go check that out too. But let's go.
Who's watching me?
I like what I found at Dollar Tree, so let's go ahead and check out so that we have enough time to make it to Walmart and Target. Second bag wired. Now I do have to go pick up my little cousin from the school bus, so we're gonna have a friend for the rest of this venture. And I'm kind of excited to see what their perspective on all of this will be.
All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight?
I love filming on my phone right now. It never runs out of storage. I just love it so much.
And I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream?
I'm filming a YouTube video. Do you want to hold the camera for me?
Yes.
Do you want to go into Target and Walmart with me?
Yeah. Let's get stuff first.
Look at your outfit. It looks very fall.
Thank you. I'm having a pumpkin patch and a pumpkin competition.
Okay. And what were you just telling me that you do every time you go to a store? He was giving me a disclaimer, you guys.
A toy.
You get a toy?
Yeah.
Every time you go to a store?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if we can find some affordable toys, cause I ain't finna drop no $30 on a minion fart machine. No, why you give me that face?
I already have one. Hey you guys, like and subscribe right now.
Hey, you ate that up. Good job. Where should we go to first, Target or Walmart?
You let me pick?
Yeah.
Should we pick together?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Walmart.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Walmart. Hey. Okay, let's do Walmart.
Walmart. 3 miles at the shopping mall.
You were being what? Demure?
Yeah.
What you know about demure? What are you eating? Yes, huh? I'm telling you. I came outside, I drove past KFC, and a crazy chicken ran out, said, "Bok bok, where's Avion?" I'm telling you. Yes, huh? Chick-fil-A got sophisticated, fancy, demure chickens. And KFC got big back, scary looking, bok bok looking chickens that ask where Avion at.
No, Chick-fil-A has messed up chicken.
They got messed up chickens.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh, no they don't.
Yes, it is.
How they messed up?
They're burnt.
They're burnt.
Yeah.
They're burnt.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
That looks so scary.
Party ball.
Okay.
Somebody's watching me.
What the heck is that?
Spider.
Oh, heck no. Look, it's an inflatable Wednesday and Mackenzie would love that.
Oh, a Barbie hat. I won't let you test it on. I look like Ken like this.
You look like Ken. Let me try it.
You look like Barbie. Yeah, for real. Oh, look.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. These might be the blankets that I was looking for. I don't know about the bunch of dogs. I don't know which one I should get. This one is like for spooky season and it's gonna be cute for October. Once I get to November, I don't know if I'm gonna still want that. Like I feel like I want to switch to this one. I don't know.
Who's that?
Who's who? Who's talking?
Yeah.
I don't know. Say cheese. Made it to Target. This is gonna be the final place that we go. We found some really good stuff. So far, I'm actually very excited to decorate my room. I've only spent $23 in total and I've gotten a lot of things. So that's exciting. I think I just wanna find maybe a candle in here and
Let's
then,
find a lot of stuff.
yeah, we'll find some more stuff. I'm looking at the fall candles and I don't see any, like at all in this section. And I don't see any. The ones that I normally do that are like $5. So I don't know, I might not find anything. I don't know.
We're at Target right now. Choosing it ended up by this way. Why does it not see this? Oh, I am. I'm just playing it while we're here because you know I'm gonna get bored, right? And because I never seen this before, we had no idea.
Yeah, no extra fall candles here, so kind of a fail at Target, but I think we got some good stuff. So I may do some extra shopping, but we'll see. I'm gonna look online and then I'll see if I have to come back out, but I think we did pretty good, but they do not have the little candles here. Kind of strange. I don't know what's going on, but let's go home so I can give you guys a full haul of everything that I got. Actually, we're gonna definitely be coming back because they restocked the Sugar Cookie Native body wash, so I will be back. And then there's a Cinnamon Pumpkin Pie Dove scrub, so we will be back to make sure I film a fall shower routine video. So that's gonna be exciting, but now we're gonna leave. Alright, I'm about to give you guys a full haul of everything that I got. So this is everything that I got, 4 bags, right? Before I get into this haul, I want to tell you guys to go ahead and subscribe so that you guys can stick around. I am currently filming a video of me actually cleaning and decorating my room, decluttering it because it's such a mess. As you guys see, there's no way I can go and add all these decorations in a dirty room. So first I have to declutter and deep clean. So that'll be the next video. You guys are just gonna see the fun stuff. This is more of a, you don't really want to see the hard stuff kind of video. And I get that. But if you enjoy seeing the nitty gritty, scrub, the get down dirty of it all, me actually bringing this room together, then make sure you subscribe so that you can see that video coming out in like 2 days. Plan on editing these videos fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, okay? We'll see, but subscribe so that I feel better about all of this that I'm putting myself through. First, I got this blanket, plush throw blanket with the cool spooky pattern. I wanted to get something that was like spooky related, but also could be fall as well so that it lasts because we are already 21 days in October, but I don't care. I'm still gonna use this and I'm still gonna love it. So I wanted to make sure that it had orange, but it was also universal. So I like that it's black and it has hints of orange. So I really like this throw blanket. From Dollar Tree, got this spider lantern. It was $1, so I'm just like, I'm gonna get it. We're gonna figure out how to hang this up. This is gonna be really freaking cute, you guys. Got this pumpkin, orange plaid pumpkin. So cute. It's giving fall energy for sure. And then this is kind of unrelated. I just got this for my desk because I'm trying to organize my desk as well so that it's a little more productive. And then I got some flashcards because I have a public speaking speech coming up soon. And then from Five Below, I got this little soft fuzzy pumpkin. Super cute. She's plushy, cute and tiny. And then I got this spooky ghost pillow. She was like $5. This is soups cute. And then from Walmart, I got this glow in the dark. Black light makes it glow. I'm not sure. I don't have black light. We'll see about that. And I also got this candle since Target didn't have any of the small $5 candles. Frick, that was strange. I love those candles. I just got this pumpkin spice one from Walmart. Super cute. I love this pattern. It's so fall and it smells so freaking good. So I'm so excited about all this decor. Can't wait to implement it. And then you guys, my mom thought that it would be a good idea to paint my wall, that treacherous orange wall over there. She thought that it would be a good idea to paint it. So make sure that you are subscribed. We will not be painting it in this video. I will show you guys the tour before I paint it, but we'll be painting it in my ultimate fall week in my life video. So that's gonna be after the declutter and deep clean. So you're definitely gonna have to be subscribed if you want to see all this stuff that I'm doing. I'm so excited about all of it. Definitely stick around. Let's get on to the tour. Are you guys ready to see my room? I don't think you guys are ready to see my room. Are you guys ready? All right, come on. This is my fall 2024 room. I love it so much. I think in general, me cleaning my room just made my room 1,000 times better, but adding in some decoration and just elevating the space, like this double layered clothing rack is so flipping cool. It just makes my room and my clothes over there just look a lot better. There's something about it that just looks a lot better. You see how I organize it? Color coordination, so freaking cute. I organized everything over here so this doesn't look nearly as crowded as it did before, which is really good. I'm just loving the whole aesthetic of this. Like, also I flipped my clock. It's still incorrect, but at least it's not upside down and spelling out hell like in my 8 a.m. video. But here's my bed, which is the most important part. Make sure that you guys are subscribed so that you guys can see my fall clean and declutter, because you guys will see that in that video I didn't get my duvet comforter. It comes in tomorrow. So in the next video, in my ultimate fall week in my life video, you guys will see the duvet way it'll come in then. It didn't come in, so I just used a basic white comforter. As you guys see here, made up my bed. I have my spooky blanket here. It's so cute. I got some brown satin pillows. Here's my blue pillow, Dollar Tree pumpkin, Five Below pumpkin, and Diana, we know her. Then my calendar. You guys see this. I'm gonna turn it on in a second. My desk area looks so much better. It was so bad beforehand, you guys. My pumpkin spice candle from Walmart. All of this is organized over here. I got this little tray that helped me organize some other miscellaneous things. And then we also have this over here. This has helped so much of the clutter that was on my desk. And then it's supposed to be glow in the dark, but I didn't read the instructions. You're supposed to activate it with black light. I don't have black light, so just act like it glows in the dark. Floor is completely clear, which I did not have before. I had stuff all through here, all over there, all right here. Now it's very clear, so I'm very, very happy with this room, you guys. Let me show you guys what it looks like with the lights out.
Hoopensburg Table Incorporated. After hours.
Finally.
After hours. So this is my room. When it's night, it's such a vibe. I love it so much. I'm just so happy and obsessed with my room. This is really gonna help me feel comfortable in my room, remain productive, be happy, especially through the seasonal depression months. I don't want to be that sad this year. So hopefully decorating my room fix that. And if you guys also experience seasonal depression, I also recommend decorating your room. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a fun video to film. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you see my room clean and closet decluttered video. And then we're also going to be having my ultimate fall week in my life where we're doing apple picking, pumpkin hatching. I'm about to go watch Beetlejuice like right now. So if you guys want to go see all the spooky festive stuff that I do, definitely make sure that you're subscribed. I already know I'm going to see you in my next video. So bye, see you later.